Unveiling Bangkok's secrets. Planning a trip to Bangkok? Don't miss out on these hidden culinary gems. Ready to dive into the authentic flavors only locals know about? Get ready for an explosive journey through Bangkok's real taste. We're about to reveal 15 must-try local spots that you won't forget. Let's get started. Many foreigners think they've experienced Korean food just by dining at tourist spots like Myeongdong. But locals know the best spots are often hidden away in neighborhoods where only insiders go. It's the same when traveling abroad. Often, we follow popular posts or end up in touristy restaurants. But this time, I've gone deeper into Bangkok's culinary culture, exploring where locals eat and experiencing what they enjoy. Over 2 trips in a month in Bangkok, I've gathered the ultimate list of authentic eateries. This isn't for the faint of heart. If you need English menus, dislike strong spices, or require air conditioning, these recommendations might not be for you. This list is for those seeking a genuine local experience. These are places where you'll find no tourists, just authentic ingredients and cooking methods, creating an original atmosphere that feels like a local's favorite. Whether you're looking for a meal to boost your energy, celebrate a special occasion, or host a family gathering, this list has you covered. From southern Thai cuisine to local street food and even dishes from other countries. 15 must-try foods and restaurants in Bangkok. 1. Crab fried rice. Janhom. Indulge in the flavorful crab fried rice at Janhom, a southern Thai specialty restaurant loved by locals. The combination of fresh crab meat and spicy herbs offers a unique taste of southern Thailand. 2. Tom Yum Gung. Hnwc Kea by Nay Kara. Tom Yum Gung is a Bangkok classic, and this spot is a local favorite. Enjoy this spicy, tangy soup in a cool, air-conditioned environment, a perfect balance of heat and refreshment. 3. Grilled chicken and shrimp wrap. Zubul. This affordable street food style eatery serves up perfectly grilled chicken and shrimp, the crispy outside and juicy inside. Make it a must-try for an authentic Bangkok experience. 4. Braised pork rice. Kam Mu Thu. A soft braised pork with savory sauce served over rice is a local staple. This cozy spot in Sathorn is perfect for a quick, satisfying meal at any time of day. 5. Thai blood sausage soup. Kwai Jab. Mr. Joe Michelin recommended. This blood sausage soup is famous for its rich broth. It's the perfect way to recharge during your travels. 6. Myanmar. 4 Tribes Cuisine. Kalyana Restaurant. Discover unique flavors at Kalyana Restaurant, where you can try traditional dishes from 4 different Myanmar tribes. It's an exotic culinary journey right in Bangkok. 7. Hong Kong Cuisine. Claypot King. For a taste of Hong Kong in Bangkok, head to Claypot King. Enjoy dishes like shark fin style soup made from fish maw, along with a variety of Chinese specialties. 8. Thai Seafood Barbecue. Somboon Seafood. Known for its curry crab, Somboon Seafood offers a feast of fresh seafood cooked with aromatic Thai spices. It's a must-visit for seafood lovers. 9. Thai Curry Cabbages and Condoms. This restaurant not only serves delicious Thai curry but also promotes social messages in a unique setting. Enjoy great food while supporting a good cause. 10. Khao Ka Mu. Ka Ka Hamuzi Pho. Experience the local favorite Khao Ka Mu at this well-loved spot. The tender pork over sticky rice will leave you feeling full and satisfied. 11. Mango Sticky Rice. Mae Vari. No visit to Bangkok is complete without trying mango sticky rice. Mae Vari offers the freshest mango paired with perfectly cooked sticky rice, a must for dessert lovers. 12. Thai Noodles. Tip Samai. Known for some of the best pad Thai in Bangkok, Tip Samai is a favorite among both locals and tourists. The rich flavors of these noodles are unforgettable. 13. Thai Banana Pancake. Roti Mataba. Satisfy your sweet tooth with a crispy banana pancake from Roti Mataba. This dessert is a popular choice among locals, and perfect for a midday snack. 14. Seafood Hot Pot. Jo Chula. For late-night cravings, Jo Chula serves up a flavorful seafood hot pot that's packed with fresh ingredients. It's a favorite spot for both locals and night owls. 15. Northern Thai Cuisine. Kra Chang Him Krua. Chiang Mai. Conclude your culinary journey with Northern Thai dishes at Krua Chiang Mai. Their khao soy and freshwater crab dishes showcase the unique flavors of Thailand's northern regions. These 15 spots offer a taste of Bangkok that's rich, diverse, and truly authentic. Whether you're a foodie on a quest for local flavors, or just looking to experience the city like a local, this list will guide you to some of the best culinary experiences Bangkok has to offer. Happy travels, and bon appetit!